For years, Amazon FBA was marketed as the perfect online business. The idea sounded simple: find a product, send it to Amazon, let them store it, ship it, and then collect the passive income. That was the dream everyone was talking about. And if you're around 18 to 25 and trying to figure out what direction your life should go, that sounds pretty appealing. A way to make money online without a boss, without a degree, and without waiting 10 years for results. But what nobody really talks about is what happens when you actually try to build that business. Because once you get past the YouTube videos, once you get past the success stories, you start realizing it's not nearly as simple as it sounds. I know this because I actually tried Amazon FBA myself. I went through the same process everyone recommends. I researched products, looked at suppliers, and started running the numbers. At first, it felt exciting. It felt like I had finally found something that could work. But the deeper I got into it, the more problems I started seeing. The profit margins were way smaller than people make them sound online. Once you factor in manufacturing costs, shipping, Amazon fees, storage fees, and advertising just to get people to see your product, there was barely anything left. Then there's competition. You might find what looks like a great product idea, but when you search it, you realize there's already dozens of sellers selling the exact same thing. Everyone is competing on the same listing. Everyone is trying to lower the price to win the sale. But the biggest issue was something that I did not expect. You do not actually control the business. Amazon controls the listings, the rankings, and the rules. In fact, my Amazon got suspended without warning. No explanation, just suspended. And that was the moment something clicked for me. If your entire business can disappear overnight because a platform that can switch the rules, you do not really own a business. That is when I discovered something that completely changed everything for me. Instead of selling products, I started building smart websites and software systems for businesses that help them get more customers. And instead of helping someone buy a product one time, businesses pay every single month for the system that helps them grow. That means reoccurring income. Once I understood this business model, everything changed. Instead of competing with thousands of sellers online, I was helping businesses solve real problems. Instead of relying on a marketplace algorithm, I was building systems for businesses that they actually depended on. One client turns into two turns into five turns into 10, and every client adds another monthly payment. That momentum is super powerful. Today, this is the model that I focus on: building smart websites and automation systems for local businesses using a platform called HighLevel. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this business model works and how you can start building a smart website and software business step by step. Because once you understand how this works, you might realize something important. You do not need the next trending online business. You just need a model that actually makes sense, and this one completely changed everything for me. So let me actually break this model down and how I'm able to make this money online. So we have a little comparison right here: Amazon FBA versus the AI Smart Website plus SaaS agency using HighLevel. So the first thing is how this model works. Build AI smart websites and automation systems for local businesses. Businesses will pay monthly for the system. I've been doing this for about 2 years now, and I love getting those Stripe notifications of those monthly subscription charges coming into my bank. Now look, the next one: startup investment. Start your agency with a 30-day free trial. HighLevel plans begin at only $97 a month. You can literally get started with this business model on a free trial for 30 days. And then after that, it's just $97 per month. Now, if you don't know, usually what people do is their base package is just $97 a month for a basic website, live AI chatbot, and Google review automation system, which I'll be showing you here shortly. And so just think about that. You close one client and now you're completely cost neutral. You close two clients and now you're bringing home $100 monthly recurring. That's absolutely amazing compared to what these other business models are pushing, such as Amazon FBA, where you need to fork over $3,000 at a minimum just to get a bulk order in. The next one is no inventory or product costs. So you're not having to worry about inventory running low. You're not having to worry about anything. You just need your phone, laptop, and a Wi-Fi connection, and you're good to go. The next one is the fulfillment. Create websites and automation using templates. So HighLevel actually has a whole template library, which let me show you that right now. So you can see right here from templates, and they have tons of templates that you can use. Look at this: appliance repair, IT advisor, yoga, mobile wallet, title company, RV rental agency. Let's go ahead and type in landscaping. So yeah, that's more of a generalized. Okay, landscape, lawn maintenance, landscaping. You can see all these different templates that HighLevel already has done for you. If you click preview, you can see exactly what this looks like. And look, it's already ready to go. Just swap out the images, get some things added, add their logo to this page, and it's already good to launch. Now look, I actually am an official partner of HighLevel. So if you use my link down below this YouTube video to get started, you actually get my templates that I have created. Me and my team are actually working very well for customers. They have the right SEO practices. They have all that good stuff on there. So little plug here. If you want to go ahead and get started, use my link down below. You get 2 calls with me per week as well. Not only can you use templates, HighLevel also just launched their own website AI builder. So let me go ahead and show you that. And let's actually build a sample site for someone that I find off of Google Maps. So you can see here's the AI website builder right here. Let's go ahead and go to Google and find a candidate. All right, so let's take a look at who we can find. Let's look for someone that has low Google reviews because obviously they need a review automation, and also someone that does not have a good looking website or one that doesn't have one at all. This one, they have low reviews. Let's take a look at their website. Yeah, this looks like absolute garbage. Absolute garbage. I see no SEO really. Plumbing services. I mean, there's so many different services that you can do. They don't have their own service pages. So what I would do is I would go ahead and cold call them directly. Tell them that you built a sample website for them. It's already done. It has their name, logo, all those different things. And just ask them if they would like to take a look at it. All right, so let's build the sample website. So let's go ahead and pull their business name, G/K Plumbing. Copy, bring it over to HighLevel. And let's drop in the name, the business niche. They do home services. It's to generate leads, target consumers. Free consultation. All right, so let's go ahead and take this information. This is a basic prompt. Let's go ahead and put it into ChatGPT and let it fix up the prompt, make it better, and then we'll re-put it back into HighLevel and look at what it creates. So now what we need to do is pull the business name, which I already did, G/K Plumbing, dropped it in. The business niche is home services. The goal of the website is to generate leads, and then the target audience is consumers, and then free consultation as the offer. So you can see HighLevel gave us this prompt, and let's go ahead and put it into ChatGPT to make it better and improve it. So now we are in ChatGPT, and let's go ahead and drop it in and tell ChatGPT this is a GHL AI website builder prompt. Make this better and more luxurious. And just by adding that small little add-on that I did, it's going to go ahead and, oh, whoops, apologies. It's supposed to be a prompt. Hey, stop generating ChatGPT. All right, make it as a prompt. There you go. That was my fault. I didn't put prompt, but now we'll go ahead and do that, and it's making the prompt for it. So let's wait for it to be done, and then we'll go ahead and drop it into HighLevel. Okay, so now it has been dropped in. Let's go ahead and click generate, and let's see what it comes up with. Now, keep in mind, this is just a sample website for the business. Don't worry about every single thing being correct. Don't worry about necessarily everything being 100% perfect. We're moving it with speed and hoping that they join the Zoom call to show them this sample website. And then also on the Zoom call, you want to make sure to mention that this is a rough draft. We'll completely make the website the exact way that you want it. We just wanted to provide some upfront value for you. Now, look, I've been doing this for 2 years, and a sample website, just offering that on a cold call, has brought me a very far way. So definitely use this method whenever you are cold calling. And I will go ahead and show you what HighLevel came up with this AI website builder once it is done. And so look, just like that, it built a website. Looks absolutely amazing. There's obviously some things that you would have to fill in, but look, the content is pretty much there. The stock images are there, and they would greatly appreciate this over you not having it at all. I can guarantee it. Like I said, all I did was take the prompt from HighLevel, put it into ChatGPT, take that prompt from ChatGPT, put it back into HighLevel, and it built this very quickly. Going back to my points about how this is such a great business model, we've already discussed the fulfillment side of things pretty much, and so that's getting the website done. Now, the next thing that we need to talk about is the reputation side, and then also the live AI chatbot. So let me show you what that looks like. So HighLevel has tons of integrations. One of them is with Google My Business pages. So your customer can go ahead and connect their Google My Business page by clicking this green button right here. It will prompt them to sign in, and now their Google My Business page is connected to your HighLevel account or to their sub account. And so if we go to reputation, it will actually give them a whole tab where they can manage their reviews. If they're hitting their invite goal, the reviews received, what are people saying about their services? And then here's a really nice part. If you go to reviews AI, HighLevel, the software on the back end will automatically respond to the business owner's review. It depends on what time you want to set it to, but it can either be right away, it can be a day later, it could be an hour later, whatever the case is, you determine that. You can discuss that with the business owner, and it will automatically respond to the reviews. Now, we're also giving them a way to request for reviews as well. You can see this prompt that's already in here. It says, "Hi there, thank you for choosing." It will automatically fill in the business's name. Would you be willing to take 30 seconds to leave us a quick review? And it will automatically drop in the review link. Not only just that, you can also set up the retries that it does. You can do so many different things with HighLevel. It's absolutely amazing. But now you are giving them a website. You are also giving them a way to accumulate Google reviews as well, and they're being responded to on autopilot. Not only just that, you can also get them started with a live AI chatbot. So they pretty much have a 24/7 receptionist on their website, which is huge for the businesses. And I even tell them on the demo calls, the customers that are on the call with me, and I tell them that we actually took a client survey 3 months ago, and this was voted the favorite feature, which is not really a lie. I mean, my customers absolutely love it. And so whenever they put in their name, the customer's customer, they put in their name, the phone number, and what their question is about the business, AI will go ahead and respond to it. Think about how impactful that is. Think about someone that is in the landscaping industry. They're out giving quotes. They're out, in traffic, whatever the case is during lunch rush hour. And so they need these leads to be nurtured as soon as possible. And that's what this takes care of. So we went ahead and talked about everything fulfillment wise, at least just for the $97 a month package. And then here's the best part as well. Monthly recurring revenue. So businesses are paying you a monthly subscription to fulfill this service for them because you're actually offering them a service. The Google review automation, the live AI chatbot, the hosting and maintenance, the unlimited website updates that you might do in that package, you can charge them a monthly subscription for. So revenue grows as you add more clients. So the more and more that you're cold calling, the more and more that you're getting clients signed on, the more monthly recurring revenue it is for you. The return on investment, it's a very low startup cost compared to product businesses, just like Amazon FBA. Like I said, I did it myself, placed tons of orders, and I would say they usually range anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000. And so that is a huge upfront investment. And also something about this is very predictable. So you can know what money is coming in next month. You're not going in there in the blind and you don't know how much money you're going to be making because, like I said, this is a monthly subscription based service that you're offering to these businesses. Now for Amazon FBA, like I said in the very beginning of the video, this is how the model works. You sell physical products through Amazon and revenue comes from individual product sales. So that's where your revenue is coming from. And then the startup investment, inventory, manufacturing, and shipping costs. All of that you have to be paying for. And then the typical startup investment, like I said, anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000. Now for the challenges, high competition, thin profit margins. The profit margins are not that great depending on the product. It really does depend on the product, but most of the time the product margins are very thin. It's the volume that you're doing that can bring in, that income that people talk about on YouTube, but most of the time it's very thin profit margins. Risk of Amazon suspending listings or accounts. This even happened to myself. They suspended my account. They didn't even tell me a reason why, and I tried to appeal it and it just kept getting denied. I literally had no idea what I did wrong. And then the return on investment, profit earned per product sale. So you need to be getting these products sold, otherwise that's your business is done. That's it. If someone's running ads on your same product and they have more reviews than you, then you're absolutely left in the dust. And it requires high sales volumes to scale. That's exactly what I was talking about earlier. You need to have tons of inventory for those thin profit margins to actually, make you that large lump sum of money. All right, so now we are on the key takeaways. So Amazon FBA requires higher upfront investment and platform risk. And then AI smart websites plus SaaS agencies generate recurring revenue with lower startup costs. So after everything that has been presented to you today, you can make the final educated decision. And in my eyes, Go HighLevel starting an AI smart website plus SaaS agency is definitely the way to go. So go ahead and watch my last video right here if you want to learn more about how my business works and how I'm able to make it run. I'll see you in the next one.